Welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how to design your frequently asked questions section in your web page. Alright, your FAQ section in your web page. So I have my question right here. Can I open an account while outside the country? So here is going to be my question, and this one is going to be my answer. Alright, this one below here is going to be my answer. Okay, so this is the question that you are going to see while on the page. So until you click on it, that's when you're going to see this answer, right? So I will go ahead and grab my line 2. I'll make a section here. Okay, so you can design it anyhow you want to design it, but this is how I want this one to look like. So I have my arrow down button here. Okay, I have it here, and I'll make sure I'll align this one here like this. So I'll go ahead, select this section, the question, this line, and this arrow down. I'll make it an auto layout. Alright, I'll make it an auto layout. Then I'll come to my align panel, my design panel, and bring this one down. Alright, so that this arrow can come down. Alright, it was up before, right? So I'll come here and bring it down here. Okay, cool. Then with this frame selected, right, since we made an auto layout, I'll come here, select both the frame and this one. So I'll hold down my shift. With that frame selected, I will tap on this text here and make it an auto layout again, so that everything will be inside an auto layout. All right, then I can adjust it like this. Come here, adjust the padding, okay, the vertical padding. All right, if I choose to. Cool, so I have it here. So I'll go ahead, tap on the entire frame and make this a component. Then I'll go ahead and make a variant. All right, now this variant I'm going to make, I'll go to my default. This is my default. All right, I'm going to delete this one. Tap on my delete to delete that answer. Okay, because we are going from this question state to this answer state. All right, so then I'll go ahead, tap on this one. Since we are on the answer state, I'll select this one and flip it up. Okay, because we are going back to the question state. So here it takes us to the answer. This one takes us to the question, right? Cool. So it's time to prototype. Very easy. So I'll tap on this default state, go to my prototype, and draw my prototype wire to my variant that I made. Of course, it's going to be on click. Okay, either you select here or you select this this arrow. Okay, so let me go ahead and select this arrow. Let me delete the. So let me prototype this arrow instead. Anyone you want to do. Okay, select this arrow and prototype it down to this variant. So it's going to be on click, and our animation is going to be smart animate. Then gen 2 800 milliseconds. That's cool. Then I'll grab on this one to grab on this arrow up and draw my prototype wire to the first to the default state, right? The same settings. Cool. Then I'll go ahead to my asset panel, right? I'll go over to local assets and drag this over to my artboard. Okay, I'll drag over to my artboard. So I have it here. So let's say this is our first question right here. Okay, so let me preview this page, preview that page. So I have something like this. Okay, here, right, we have something like this, right? Cool. Can I open an account while outside the country? Here is the question, here's the answer. Pretty cool. So you see how the arrow is animating, right? Arrow down, right? Arrow up. Okay, so let's say we are supposed to have, of course, we are supposed to have multiple frequently asked questions here. So let me go ahead and duplicate this one here. Hold down my alternate and shift, make another, Ctrl Z, select this, hold down my alternate and shift, make another instance like this. All right, so let me go ahead and preview this page for us to see again. So I have two instances here, right? I have two frequently asked questions. So when I tap on this one, you can see how it is overlapping on the other one, right? See, this one overlapped on this one, and I don't want it to be so. All right, it overlapped on that one, and I don't want it to be so. Okay, so how do we fix that? I'm going to close my preview. So I'll grab on this on all the frequently asked questions that I've made, select them and make them an auto layout. So I'll tap Shift A on my keyboard, Shift A to make auto layout. So when I preview again, see what's going to happen. Let me preview again. So by the time I preview now, okay, you see how that one automatically becomes responsive. Okay, that is a work of an auto layout. All right, get that right? Get that? Cool. So let's add multiple frequently asked questions. So I'll go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, duplicate this again, make another one again like this. So by the time I preview, you're gonna see how it's gonna be responsive automatically. All right, let me drag this page down all the way. So by the time I preview this, okay, sorry, I've not made all of them, and I've not made all of them into auto layout. So I'll select all and make auto layouts. Nice. So let me preview now. Preview here. You see how that is becoming responsive, right? Anyone you preview adjusts the other one. Alright? Anyone you preview adjusts the other one. You get that right? Nice. Like I said, you can remember we prototype just this arrow, right? So you can actually prototype the entire text. Most times that's what we do. So let me go over and adjust the prototype so that it will be on the entire text. Okay, so I'm gonna grab on this and delete it. Grab on this, right, and delete it as well. So we are going to prototype the entire default state and variant. So it's going to be when you click on anything there, the text, the arrow, anything you click there, right? So the same setting, click, smart animation, auto, smart animate, gentle and 80 milliseconds. Then I'll take this entire variant, drag it up to the same settings. Nice. So by the time we go back and preview this one here, right, preview, let me refresh this. So you see it's no longer when we click on here, anywhere we click on, right, anywhere we click on this, okay, anywhere we click on this, right? Nice. So you have your questions and your answer.